Welcome to the MODN Homes video on factory-built modular housing. I am Emmanuel Ibitu, the founder, and I'll be guiding you through our innovative solutions for the housing crisis. Nigeria faces a staggering 28 million unit housing deficit. The key challenges include rapid urbanization, unpredictable construction costs, and inadequate infrastructure, all of which demand innovative, affordable, and high-quality housing solutions. The urgency of this crisis is clear. Lagos alone adds over 600,000 residents annually, while sub-Saharan Africa requires 4 million new housing units each year. Our solution is factory-precise, modular housing units built with cross-laminated timber, or CLT. This approach offers speed, quality, affordability, and sustainability, revolutionizing the building process to be faster and more reliable. This is a digital rendition of our modular housing unit, designed for efficiency and quality. This innovative design allows for rapid on-site assembly. Introducing the MODN Solo, a modular living unit currently under active development in Lagos. This is the first precision-engineered module in the MODN system, built from the ground up. The market opportunity is significant, with Nigeria's formal housing market exceeding $46 billion. We are targeting the urban middle class, leveraging partnerships and focusing on affordable starter homes. Our business model involves direct unit sales to buyers and developers, as well as licensing agreements. This dual approach helps us expand our reach while maintaining quality control and empowering local contractors. We have achieved key milestones in MODN Solo's documentation, including detailed MEP plans, CLT panel schedules for construction efficiency, and comprehensive assembly guides for effective and efficient construction. I'm Emmanuel Ibitu, founder and visionary behind MODN Homes. I'm committed to bringing innovative and affordable housing solutions to Nigeria. We are seeking $100,000 in pre-seed funding for our first pilot unit build in Lagos. This investment will cover structural certification, construction of the pilot unit, and market launch strategies. Join us in transforming urban living conditions in Africa. Thank you for watching this video. To connect with MODN Homes, you can reach us by phone, email, or visit our website.